In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add website link on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app. After that, go to your profile, and that's where we can easily find edit profile button. Just tap on it, and then you will be taken to that interface where towards the very bottom we can easily find a website option. All you have to do in order to add a website link is just tap right here and then just enter website URL in that text field. Once you've done that, to save the changes, tap Add Save. Then, if we go to our profile, we can see that website URL appeared right here at our profile. This link is actually clickable, so I can tap on it, and then I'll be redirected to a website. However, website option will appear at your account when you reach 1000 subscribers. If you don't have 1000 followers on your account, you can add a website URL directly to your TikTok bio. To do that, tap right here. Then, in the same way, enter website URL and then hit Add Save. Unfortunately, in this case, the link won't be clickable. That's how you can easily add website link on TikTok.